Happy Tuesday, guys! Ayan, papunta si Wijbe ng work, tapos ako mamaya 10:30 pa. So, may time pa ako magligpit-ligpit ng mga kalat, if nakikita nyo. Nakikita nyo doon. Sabi, come here, come. And, ayun, I work 10:30 to 5, tapos si Wijbe naman, 8:30 to until when you finish your work?
5.
Huh?
5?
5 too, but sometimes you're early here.
Ja, nee. Ja, pak sa 5 misschien?
Yeah, mga 15 minutes to 5. Ayan. Kasi siya palagi nagpipick up kay Sabi. Nauuna kasi siya. So, tingnan nyo naman, guys. So, ayan. Mamaya may time pa ako ayusin yan. And ako na din maghahatid kay Sabi. Kasi before Corona times, guys, yung work ko talaga is 8:30 nag-start. Pero nung nagkaroon ng Corona, like other countries, medyo tumumal din yung, alam mo yun, yung work namin dito sa Netherlands. Hindi lang naman sa company namin, all over Netherlands. Yung iba nga nawalan ng trabaho. Kaya, simula nun, nag-start ng 10:30 yung work ko to 5. Pero, mas okay sa akin yun. Kasi may time akong mag-ayos muna ng bahay.
Where's my key?
Yung key. Guys, palagi niyang nawawala yung key niya. Palagi hinahanap. But you just went biking yesterday when you went to tennis.
But now it's gone. Where did you put it?
Palagi yan nawawala ang susi niya, guys. Pakihanap nga. Wait guys, hanapin muna namin yung susi. Sanay na yan si Sabi everyday. Nagbababay na lang. Wala niyang mga iyak-iyak mode. Kiss, kiss, papa. Kiss, papa.
Kiss.
Mwah.
Oh.
Didoy.
Doei doei.
Doei doei. Sabi, we say goodnight to papa here. Sabi. Sabi. Doesn't want. Doei. Yeah, papa back now. Now, come. Good morning, mga Inday. Ayan. Oh, nakakaloka ang life namin dito. Snell, Sabi. Ay, nahatid ko na si Sabi, tapos nakadala na ako ng bike para diretso na din ako papuntang work. So, ngayon as in super nagmamadali ako. Kasi si Wijbe, need din niya maging maaga sa school. So, ako maghahatid. And kaya dala-dala ko na yung bike para di na ako bumalik ng bahay. Diretso na ako. Bike. Snell, I should leave. Come, Snell. So, ayun guys. Ang buhay dito sa Netherlands. Sabi, come, run. Run. Sus, palangay-langay sa ning bulilit. Oy, sige mga Inday, magdali sa kukadyot. Grabe, kahit malamig, pinagpawisan ako guys, saka magmamadali. Kasi, ito si Sabi kasi pasa na pasa sa sa kalsada. So, ayan, kinain yung 5 minutes ko sa paglakad namin ni Sabi, papunta sa bantay niya. And ngayon, mga 2 minutes na lang, naandun na ako sa work ko. Pero maglalakad pa syempre ako papuntang building at sa taas pa yung locker. So, so ito ang life ko dito guys. No? Sa ibang video parang ang saya-saya. Masaya naman na mahirap din. So, doble ganon. Pero, okay naman. Super saya naman with my family. So, ayan. Papasok na muna ako.
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go.
Guys, kauwi ko lang. Tapos, si Sabi nag-aabang. Ayan eh. Hi! Hi! Can you open the door? Hi! Hi! Kiss mama.
Yeah.
What is that? Come, you close the door now. Close the door. Close the door. Come. Yeah, watch out for the hand. Yeah, I hope so. Come. Hello.
Hello.
How's the love of my life?
Good love of my life. My love of my life.
The sun is up, it's beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come on,
Yeah,
you
alles
come
pakken
along.
sabi.
And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's
Yeah.
right. When you came to me,
Nog meer?
it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again.
Stand, stand.
Oh, yeah, all day. Please stay
Oh,
in my arms,
careful with the head,
boy. The
ah.
one who showed me if we're
Oh,
together.
careful.
It don't matter if
Rustig.
it rains all day.
Goed zo.
Oh, yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms,
Ja,
boy.
alles?
Beautiful day, and it's smiling. Holding on to your tight. I guess our hearts can align. And it feels so bright. It's like your love
Yeah,
is getting
he's the one counting.
Yeah.
going follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to keep anything inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right.
Wow!
When you came to me,
There.
oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms,
Sa
boy.
mailan. Bumili kami ng bagong vacuum kasi yung dati medyo dahil sa kalumaan. How many years was that, Ma? Our old vacuum? As in, super tagal na. So, yun, mga 8 years na daw. So, ayan. Umano na siya. Sumurrender na siya. Kaya nag-order si Wijbe ng bago. Ayan. Para sa, at least, pag lumipat kami, bago na. Wow! Di ba, Papa? Yeah, eh. Slay. Yeah. Yeah. Dala bibig. Loko-loko talaga to siya. He understands loko-loko.
Sabi, you said hi, I'm Loco Loco. I'm Wijbe.
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along?
It really sounds like.
It's like love is raining on me.
Okay. So, yeah, assemble siya, guys.
Doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to
Yay! We have our new vacuum.
this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. Came to
Wow!
me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me
Work
if we're
again.
together. No matter if it rains.
Nagsisimula na kami mag-empake.
All day, as long as you're in my arms, boy.
Yeah! Wow!
I want to break free. God knows. God knows I want to break. I'm falling in love.
Lalong naging makalat ang bahay.
Oh, nice. It's not that noisy. Kasi guys, yung vacuum cleaner namin as in sobrang ingay. Sabi. Sabi knows how to clean. To use vacuum cleaner.
It's a miracle. First time tidying
First time? Oh,
in Netherlands after 3 years.
clean.
Of course, of course. Nice. I'm joking, love. You're really good at cleaning. Hundreds of times. And look, it matches the shirt, the black. What's the name in English?
Oh, it's nice, love, huh?
Stofzuiger?
Vacuum cleaner.
Vacuum cleaner. Oh yeah. 165 euros. And
much?
165? There was also one for 200, but this one was also good reviews.
It's nice that it's not noisy because guys, yung sa amin, yung luma as in maingay.
You see, guys, just give your wife a nice present.
This is a gift.
It's my gift for you. I hope you will use it every day. Yeah, that's.
I'm gonna
Oh yay! He found out something.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Ayan guys, napaliguan na ni Dada si Savi and nandun na sa taas natutulog na ata. And now, it's... Hello! It's bonding time! Parang
This isn't normal.
I really like Mr. Bean.
Making me ridiculous. I'm just acting normal. That's who I am.
Oh my gosh, that's your normal.
Oh, it's normal. You
Baka
should know.
matakot yung mga viewers ko. They're gonna be scared. Okay. Mr. Bean, happy. That's happy? Sad.
I'm not. I've been working all day with children. I'm not in the mood of acting. What do you?
Lap.
Sad.
20 minutes lang.
20 minutes?
20 seconds. Okay. Mr. Wijbe, sad. That's the sad. Mr. Wijbe, happy.
Love, maybe you yourself. You say, Valentina, sad.
Ayaw na talaga. Walang pagod. Love, because I give you wine. That's for the price.
You hear, people? That's how it goes here. I just give and you don't ask.
Oh, okay. So, ayan. Tapusin na lang muna namin ang vlog na to, guys. Let's finish the vlog kasi nagreklamo na si Teacher Wijbe. Okay, say do to them, guys. I love. Do.